friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Bluey together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 ovals for the first eye. Draw the second eye without completing it, like I do. Draw the triangle for the nose and a small horizontal line. Draw a vertical line and a curved line for the muzzle. Draw a curved line for the mouth, then a semicircle and a curved line that joins the line already drawn. Draw a small curved line for the tongue and one for the edge of the mouth. Draw the eyebrows with 2 ovals and join them with a horizontal line. Draw the outline of the head and body with a curved line, a vertical line, a curved line, a horizontal line, a curved line, a vertical line, and a small curved line. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw the belly with a vertical line, a curved line, and another vertical line. Draw a semicircle near each eye. Draw 2 ovals on the sides. Draw the arm with a curved line, 4 inverted U-shaped lines for the paw, and a curved line for the arm. Then draw a curved line on the wrist and one on the paw. Draw 2 triangles for the ears, and an upside-down letter V inside them. Draw the second paw with an upside-down letter U, an upside-down letter V, and 2 curved lines. Draw the first hind leg with a vertical line, a curved line, a horizontal line, a curved line, a vertical one, a horizontal one, and 2 curved lines for the toes. Draw the second hind leg just the same as the first. Draw the tail with a curved line, 2 small semicircles, and another curved line. Then draw a curved line inside it. Wow! Our friend turned out great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes, the nose, and the edge of the mouth. Use dark blue for the semicircles around the eyes, ears, side ovals, and the tip of the tail. Use light blue for the head, body, tail, and legs. Color the eyebrows, pose, and belly with light blue. Use yellow for the ears, the inner part, and the muzzle. And use red for the tongue. Excellent! Our friend turned out really well and is ready to play with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!